Go duck at me.
You can stop worrying about grenades now.
Bitch, you're not even that low. Fucking man it up, pussy.
Yo, you know the new operator can jump hatches?
Yeah, and break through walls.
Alibi needs that stim, bro. Go get her.
Fucking nigga.
Run! You saw him. Nice.
Teabag him. Teabag him. Go teabag him right
No,
now.
no. He's got a friend.
Boom, 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 boom. Alright, good. You're good enough. Good enough.
Above you. Gridlock. Wait, they planted. How did they plant?
You probably find a kitchen, dude.
Idiot. Downed him.
Up on the stairs to your right.
Nice.
To your right.
Last one, Sophia. All dead.
Defuse!
Defuse, what are you doing?
He stole your kill. He stole your kill. We're killing him next match.
Was Monty down? Was Monty down?
Yes, he was.
Yeah.